Assalamu alaikum students, everybody hope so good. So my name is Mohammad Hussain and today's topic is float, double and string. Okay, so here we go for our next slide. That is, in this slide, if I want to know that what will be the output, and I'm 100% sure that you will give me the answer, sir, the result will be the 7. Okay, but if I say, if I'm changing the value 7.5, now you know that integer stores whole number, but if I'm giving here 7.5, what would be the answer? So I think so. If you have, code yourself, already did this, so you will give me the answer. Otherwise, you are blank now. Okay. So hope so this lecture is informative for you. So the answer will be the 7. Okay, just because integer only understand the whole number, it just do not understand the point. So it don't give you the error. Actually, it can store this value, but only show you the 7. Okay, it will not store points value, decimals number. Okay, so the result will be the 7 again. So we have to store, definitely we are not deal with our life only the whole number, surely we are deal with the as well for decimal number, point numbers as well. So what we will do right now, just we have to change, we have to change this integer into the float, simple as that. Okay, so just we have changed integer into the float, the remaining statement the same. So now what will be happen, the answer can be shown on the screen 7.5, otherwise it's written as a 7 just because we are mentioning here integer, but if I mention here float, it gives you the result 7.5. See how easy it is. So now what will be the result? Now who will let me know the what will be the result? Okay, so now we have integer height 7.5, float height is 7.5. What will be the result? So if you have covered my lectures, okay, so you surely come up with this, that's it is error just because we cannot mention same variables, okay, in no need different data types or the same data types as well. If I say to you what is your age, you cannot say to me, sir, my age is 22 and my age is 22.5. Okay, there's nothing like that. Or I say to you that what is your height, you never say to me, sir, my age is 7 and my age is 7.5. Okay, you cannot come with the 3 4 options. Okay, you just have to let me know, sir, my age is 7.5 or my age is 7. Okay, so it means that you not have the same, the same variable name in four different data types as well as for the same variable data types. Okay, so you got it, it will conflict the answer. Okay, conflict the data type, that which data type you're talking about. Okay, so you have to change the data type. Okay, or you have to change the variable name. So you know that integer stores which value. If I'm going to ask you, integer stores number. Okay, and you know that the numbers in the whole numbers. Okay, 2. And if I say what float stores, you will say that the float stores also number but in decimal format. Okay, and there's another key data type we have which known as double. Okay, double is same like a float, but float has some ranges and double has it's more than float. We can say double than the float. Okay, so it also stores decimal values. Okay, and now we have string. Now string is a data type also, and it stores the text. Okay, the text like Ali. Okay, whatever the text, okay, it stores Ali, and it must stores in a quotation. Okay, in quotation it stores. So now you got to know that integer stores 2, float 2.3, double the same, string is the storing of text. Let's suppose there is written Lukman. Okay, now Lukman is assigned. You know that this is operator known as the assign operator. Okay, assigned to whom? Assigned to a variable. Okay, this is now is a variable, name is a variable. Okay, after it what we will give, we will mention here a data type which is string in here. Okay, we know we have missed something, we have missed that we have to put this Lukman in a quotation, so we put here in the between quotation. Okay, we put Lukman in between and the quotation now aside. So now the quotation is here in the last, and then we have also a semicolon in it. Okay, so now the statement is complete. So you grab it now, how I write this name. So now another example, that Lukman, okay, and this, what will it give if I'm not writing in the quotation? It give you the error, so I must write in the quotation sign. So now this Lukman is assigned to name, okay, name variable, and what will be the answer? Who will let me know the answer? So in the cout is written enter name, okay, right? What is written in the in the cout? Enter name, okay, and if I'm erasing this, what will be the output? The output will be the welcome to, okay, and the name of the Lukman, and name is a variable. So the compiler will look at the program where is written name. So here is written name, okay, and what is this? This is a variable, so it contain must a value, so this is a value, okay. So the answer is welcome to Lukman, okay, welcome to, not welcome Lukman, okay. So welcome Lukman, okay. So I think it's now correct. And if may I say to you that this is a memory block and having a name cast, and now if I am giving a value to it, so now pizza, there is value to it. So now can you write code, okay, code below for the below example? This is the example for the below example. Can you write a code for below example, okay, in a programming manner, or we can say, can you write below example, okay, below example and in a programming manner? Okay, can you write code for it? Okay, so I think so you can write code for it, and hope so. Just do it in the comment section. I wanted to know who is the fastest among you, okay. So I'm giving you the answer right now. You have to write a string first, okay, and then the variable name cast, and then equal sign, and the pizzada, okay, as a value, and surely it mentioned in the quotation sign, and then the last semicolon. Hope so guys you got the lecture today. That I think so it's easy for you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.